Hey, this is Branden with Extreme Networks. We're rebuilding my lab, and what we're going to do right now is upgrade the image on one of these appliances, our management appliances. They run Ubuntu under the hood, and so we're just downloading our bin file and uploading it via SEP. So I prefer WinSEP as my tool of choice, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in here, but you can use whatever you want. Log in there. Okay, and I'm just going to drop it over here into the root directory. So go here to my downloads. Let's see here, downloads. And I'll just sort by recently changed. Should drop that guy at the top. Extreme Management bin. I'll just drag that over here. So that'll take a few minutes to transfer. While that's going, I'm going to hop over here to my management server. And if I go over to devices, so here's all my devices. Right now we're running 8.1.2.4. If I look at WinSCP, you can see the file name 8.1.2.24. So we're going up a little bit in revisions, and so we'll just pop over here, open a terminal. LS, and there it is, file parts, not finished transferring. If I just hop over here and pull up my Finder, downloads, pull this up and sort by most recent. Today, so I'm also downloading the bins for my access control and analytics appliances. So I'll do those next, but it's the exact same process for all three of those. So I won't actually go through all that in the video. Let's go back and check on our SEP. All right, still going. While that's going, just FYI, you can go to the GTAC knowledge base. We publish instructions on how to do this here. So if I search, let's say upgrade extreme, considerations for upgrading extreme management, that'll probably get us there too. But there's some interesting info on hardware requirements for 8.0. And some of the license requirements. Let me refine my search to upgrade and bin. So how to upgrade NetSite's read or extreme management on Linux appliances. And here's the process right here. So let's see how that's going. Yeah, it's just about done. So I'll hop back over here. And there we go. All right, so I have to give that file God rights so I can install it. If I type partial and hit tab, it'll autocomplete for me. And if I do an ls again, you'll notice it's now green, so it'll allow me to execute. So period / and then file name, ext tab, and it'll complete for me. And it'll begin the install process. When it comes back up, which since we're not doing a pretty big install, it shouldn't take terribly long, but it'll come back up here. We'll lose connection, obviously, because we're using the web shell on Extreme Management to upgrade it, but it'll upgrade and come back here in a second, and we'll be fresh and new. So thanks for watching.